Have you ever looked at an iPhone and wished your Android felt that smooth? Today, I'm gonna show you how I transformed my Android, Poco C61, into a high-end iPhone experience with just one simple trick. Most people think you need to buy an iPhone to get that clean look. Wrong. Android is actually much more customizable than you think. You just haven't used it properly yet. Let me show you something crazy. One of the secret is using a launcher. But you have to keep watching so that you don't miss the most fascinating one. A launcher completely changes how your phone looks and feels. Go to your Play Store. Search for iPhone launcher or iOS launcher. Download any clean one with good ratings. After installing, open it. Agree to terms and conditions and set it as a default launcher. Now, your Android screen looks like an iPhone, but we still have to make it feel like one. Quick one. If you've learned anything useful so far, don't just watch and leave like everyone else. Hit that subscribe button and join Smartphone Master. Let's continue. Right now, your phone should look more like an iPhone, but it doesn't feel like one yet. To make it more realistic, I have 3 simple tricks. The first thing is to get rid of those old school buttons at the bottom of your phone. Go to your settings. Look for System. Inside your system, find Gesture. Go to Navigation mode and switch it to Gesture Navigation. Now, you swipe up for home screen. Swipe up and hold for recent apps. Swipe left or right to go back. In case you don't know, you just unlock the iPhone movement. The next thing we must do to make it look real is adding that smooth control center you see on iPhones. Go to your Play Store again and search for iOS Control Center. Install anyone with a good rating. After installing, open and grant it access to the necessary permissions. And now, when you swipe down from the top right, you've got yourself brightness, Wi-Fi, flashlight, just like iPhones. At this point, Apple is really getting nervous. Now this one is optional but perfect if you want to go fully beast mode. Back inside your Play Store, search for iOS lock screen. Install and enable anyone with a good rating. Now your phone screen looks like an iPhone, even when it's locked. Imagine your friend picks up your phone and was like,
"Wait, when did you buy an iPhone?"
You just smile and say, "It's still my Android. I just upgraded it from what I learned from this YouTube channel." Now, let's be honest. It won't be 100% like an iPhone, but just for free, this is dangerously very close. If you want your Android to feel very premium without spending money, this is one of the easiest tricks you would ever use. Wait, quick one. If you've learned anything useful so far, don't just watch and leave like everyone else. Hit that subscribe button and join Smartphone Master. Let's continue. Oh, yeah, that's the end. I will see you in the next one then.